Hey, my little angels, how are you? I'm so happy you could come again for another evening update on what we did in Kentucky today. It is 10 after 11. I'm exhausted. It's been a long, amazing day, but it's been a long day. So our day started, we got up. The sun was streaming in through that giant window that you'll see. Absolutely beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I have to welcome in new people. Hi. Hi, my new little angels. Thank you for being here. Please give this video a thumbs up. You can share it. Sharing is caring. You can silently watch. I'm happy for the company. But if you're comfortable commenting, please do. We love those comments on this channel. I love knowing what you think and you feel, your ideas, your suggestions, your questions, your comments. I love watching you interact. I love interacting with you, because that's connection. And when we connect, we take this great big world and go and make it smaller. And that's a really good thing, you guys. And please hit that subscribe button below. I'd really appreciate it. And hello to all my returning little angels. I am so happy that you guys came back and that you're here with me. It just means the world to me. And I want to say special hi to Carly. I'll tell you why in a bit. So, how did we start? Okay, so we got up. Jim and Nat met us at 9 and off we went. And we went to an amazing restaurant for breakfast whose name it completely escapes me. Yeah, I can't think of it. But it was amazing, absolutely amazing. I had cheesy grits and a biscuit. Biscuits are my favorite thing. And some fruit. And it was delicious. And we had the most amazing server. Her name was Keely. And she was awesome. And she works 2 jobs. So she told us after our bourbon tour that we could go to her second job, which was at the Brown Barrel, and that we would get a great lunch. So off we went. Auntie Natalie and I were wearing our matching street t-shirts. Jim and Brad, Uncle Angel, had not matching shirts, but similar. And off we went. And we went to Buffalo Trace. It was an hour-long walking in the heat, but it was interesting. But it was an hour-long walking in the heat. It was so interesting. It was, and you'll be hearing a lot more when I do this, the long video, and it's going to be a long video, guys. But it was so interesting to see how the bourbon is made, right from the barrel to the grains, and how much care is taken, how it's fermented, how it's aged. We went through everything, even the bottling was, and it's all done by hand. It was so interesting. And it was just like the Hall of Fame, where I thought I would just be keeping them company, but not really enjoy it. I had a blast. I absolutely had a blast. And we finished with a tasting. I don't like bourbon. And there was a gentleman directly across from me, and he said he stopped even tasting. He just wanted to see my reaction every time I tasted, because what my mouth didn't say, my face did, and I couldn't. It was but it was interesting to hear about and try. There was a chocolate at the end. That was the best part for me. And then we went downstairs to the gift shop, of course, and got Baby Angel her shot glass and a t-shirt. Uncle Angel got a bourbon that he liked. And Natalie and Jim got the most amazing stuff. They have the char from, when they're fermenting and everything. but they're going to put it in their smoker. They smoke stuff, and it sounds amazing to me, like absolutely amazing. And it smelled really good. And they even use like the slats from the bourbon barrels as decor, and it gave me ideas. It gave me a lot of ideas. And it was just interesting to see. It's a one-use barrel, so that was very, very interesting. And then the barrels go off to other places for different things, and I just found that fascinating, you know. And then we went to lunch at the Brown Barrel, and I don't remember the server's name, but she was amazing. She was wonderful. She was friendly. She showed us pictures of her two little girls. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Obrina and Aurora. Oh my gosh, beautiful girls. But she wanted to make sure we stayed hydrated. As we left, she gave us big takeaway glasses of water with ice in them and wrote nice sayings on each one for us. It was wonderful. Like, she was so kind. It was incredible. And I'm thinking, okay, you guys know at the bottom of my gratitude journal I write, it says who made me smile today. So I thought, oh, one of these girls is definitely going to be the one on the name. It's Carly. Carly, you made my gratitude journal. So then we went off to, I'll tell you who she is in just a minute. Don't be impatient. So then we went to Whiskey Thief. Smaller operation for sure. And it was more of a tasting. You do the tasting and you can ask questions and walk around. And they didn't care how long you were there. Like we went outside. We were under an overhang, so the sun wasn't on us, but we could see how bright it was. A nice breeze, and they had 5 barrels set up, and each one got stronger. I did try all of them. I am not a bourbon drinker. The rye was not bad. Not bad. I still couldn't do it, but it was. So Uncle Angel and Jim got a fair bit because we just kept pouring ours in theirs. But I did try them. I wanted to try. And then each of the guys bought a fill your own bottle. So they got to pour. It was really cool. It's on the video. You guys will see that. So while I'm sitting there, somebody comes over to me and she's like, I can't believe it's you. It's one of our little angels. Hi, Carly. Carly recognized me. And she said I was her YouTube celebrity. And it was so neat. I got to give her a hug and we got to talk for a bit and we took pictures. I'm going to show you her picture. I did post it. It's in my community tab. And I'm telling you guys, this world just keeps getting smaller. Just keeps getting smaller. And she's just lovely. Just amazing. And so knowledgeable too. And so helpful. Just an amazing, amazing, amazing person. Carly, you made my day. I cannot tell you. It was so nice to meet you. So that was just, I was flying high from that. And yeah, like I said, then they get to bottle their own. So that'll be on the video I showed, the long video. And then we left there and we decided, let's make our own dinner tonight because we have grills on each of these barrels. So we stopped at Kroger's and guys, are you ready? I found Duke's mayo. Now I did buy the half fat, don't hate me, but I had to. I couldn't find Bama, but I did get Duke's. But we bought 2 steaks split between the 4 of us, some potatoes and some asparagus. And we just came back, sat around chatting, laughing, joking, made dinner, ate dinner, had a couple drinks, and then Uncle and Angel and I walked back. When we got outside, guys, the stars were so beautiful. Just stunning. And we don't get to see them like this. It's just so nice. So I wanted to tell you guys about that. And yeah, so now Uncle Angel's already snoring away. I hope you guys can't hear it. And I'm gonna go off to bed very shortly. And after this, I'm gonna show you the tour of the barrel, and then I'll say goodnight, and I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a very busy day. We're seeing three distilleries, the last one of which is Angel's Envy. I plan to pick up merch, anything with the word Angel on it. Then we're going to a minor league baseball game, and then we're going to Guy Fieri's for dinner. Then we'll come home because we want to be on the road Thursday morning by 6:30, because we are driving all the way back to Toronto. So it'll be a very busy day tomorrow, but I will let you know. But I want to show you, when we came into the bourbon barrel, these little chocolates were waiting for us. So I thought maybe you and I could share them together. They've been in the fridge. There we go. Looks amazing. I believe that's called a bourbon ball. So friggin' good, you guys. So good. So, on to the tour. Good morning, my little angels. Okay, I'm going to give you a tour of our barrel, and then we'll go outside and I'll show you the barrel as well. So this is the front door, okay? So this is what we come into. And then this is the kitchen. I'm gonna get out of the frame so you guys can see it better. And they've thought of everything. Like, you can cook with the hot plate that's under there. The microwave and the dishes are here. We have barbecue utensils. The coffee maker's over here. I absolutely love these mugs. They told me I can't steal them. The little bar fridge with a good size freezer, which I'm sure we'll be putting things in. A nice little sitting area. Okay, this is some of our purchases. We got a single chair, and there was an end table here, but I've moved the end table, so come with me. Come. We won't all fit in here, but this is the shower. Just a standard. It's a metal shower. It's open at the top because this is a wooden structure. And we keep our stuff here, but there's plenty of light and everything. Now you come over here. Ignore the mess, please. Don't judge me. We moved the end table over here so Uncle Angel could charge his phone. This is the bed, a nice king size bed. We're living out of our suitcase. That's okay. I have an end table, but guys, are you ready? Look at this wall. It's all a window. Look at this beautiful view. And over yonder, over there, is another barrel. Our friends are down there. The only drawback is I think we have that's the septic tank that we have the great view of, but that's okay. Now, the thing that bothered Uncle Angel the most, no blinds. Poor him. But you know what? It was nice to wake up and look outside and see that. It was just beautiful. But I just love these round walls. And I'm just going to show you the ceiling. It's all round. It's just so amazing. Like, I am so impressed. Do you want to come outside? Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Everything's done by a code, just so you know. Now, Uncle Angel's up top over there in the Adirondack chairs. I'll show you. So over there. Hello. Hello. There's our hot tub beside him. I can't go in because of my tattoo, but he's gonna go in. And it's lit at night too, so that's a cool. And it's just so pretty out here. And these are the stairs and the rope banister. And let's see, here's our, here, can you see the barrel? But that's what we're staying in, guys. I just think this is amazing. And all the greenery, everything's just so pretty. It's not too hot. And today, my goal is to buy a pair of sunglasses again. Because I did buy a pair and I can't find them anywhere. So that's the tour. And I'm going to splice this video together with tonight's video. And yeah, it'll be fun. I hope so. And I'll tell you all about today and our meals and our bourbons and any adventures we get on. Oh, I didn't tell you, we pulled a great joke on Natalie and Jim. So when, I still think it was funny. Let me just shut that. When we, I'm just going to walk over because I have my stand over here. And I want to sit and be comfortable talking to you guys. When we came, they were meeting us, right? So, because we all drove in one car. Actually, I thought we were going to take turns, but Auntie Natalie did all the driving. So she loves my perfume Eclair, the Latafa one, which is probably my new favorite. So I sent her a bottle. She doesn't know it yet, but to thank her for doing all the driving. Anyways, so there's 4 adults going in this, they have an SUV. So Uncle Angel and I were able to pack in 1 suitcase. I'm so proud of us. And so when we came out, they said, we're 6 minutes out. We're like, okay. So we lined up every suitcase we owned outside. And apparently in the car, Uncle Jim's like, what the hell are they doing? And Natalie's like, how many days are you packing for? We can't fit on. We got them really good. Really, really good. It was like when Uncle Jim, well, I call him Uncle Jim because that's what we call them to Baby Angel. But when Jim texted us the split for all of the tours, right? Because we just lump everything and just split it in half. So he said, this is what we owe for all the tours. And I'm like, that is so kind of you to treat. Thank you very much. And then I waited. And then I went, just kidding, e-transferring it now, which is like our Venmo, guys. So yeah, got them that way too. He said he pretty much was sure of it, but Natalie's like, I had a heart attack. It was very fun. So yeah, that's what we've done so far. So like I said, I will show you guys some more of the distilleries and the bourbon tours. The camera might get shakier as the day goes on, depending how much bourbon I find. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this trip. I know I am. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Because I certainly enjoyed showing you. And please always remember that I love you, I value you, I honor you, I pray for each of you, and I'm so very glad that each and every one of you was born.